Hi, I am Chris Howard with Real of Ohio. Today we're touring 63 Waterford Boulevard in Fairborn, located in the Waterford Landing neighborhood. This is a stylish, well-kept, two-story offering, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, and 1,979 square feet, built in 2017. If you're looking for an open main level that feels modern and functional, this one checks the boxes. You've got an oversized, great room with plenty of gathering space, plus a deck out back for warm weather living. Here's the quick overview. 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, and just under 2,000 square feet. Highlights include an open layout, a kitchen with stainless appliances, upstairs laundry, a finished basement rec space, and outdoor deck space. Starting outside, you've got clean curb appeal, a wide driveway, and a 2-car garage. Simple, practical, and move-in ready. The front entry is welcoming and convenient, easy in and out whether you're carrying groceries, gear, or kids' backpacks. Once inside, the home opens with a spacious entry and a clear flow into the main living area. As you step in, the plank flooring helps tie everything together, and the sightline immediately shows you how open this home feels. The great room is oversized, giving you flexibility for a large sectional, a full entertainment setup, and still plenty of room to move. This is a space built for real-life family nights, hosting friends, and holiday gatherings without feeling cramped. And the open design keeps the living area connected to the dining and kitchen, so conversations don't get split up across rooms. Now to the kitchen, this is one of the strongest parts of the home. The layout is efficient, the finishes are clean, and it's set up to work well whether you cook a lot or just need a space that stays organized. You've got plenty of cabinet storage and counter space, which is huge for meal prep, serving or setting up snacks when you're entertaining. Stainless appliances and the tile backsplash bring that modern look buyers want, fresh, bright, and easy to maintain. And because the kitchen is open to the dining area, you get great flow, no tight corners, no closed off feeling. The dining space connects directly to the patio doors, which makes it easy to take the gathering outside to the deck or keep things open during warmer months. Upstairs, the owner's suite gives you a true retreat, good size, great natural light, and enough room for a full bedroom layout without sacrificing walking space. Whether you want a king bed setup, extra furniture, or a small seating area, you've got options here. The ensuite bath is private and functional, exactly what you want in a primary suite, with a clean layout that works day to day. Finishes stay consistent and modern, with good counter space and an overall clean, well-maintained feel. And the walk-in closet is a big plus that has plenty of storage, so you're not fighting for space. Bedroom 2 is nicely sized and works great for a child's room, guest room, or office. Bedroom 3 gives you the same flexibility, extra space for family, guests, or a dedicated workspace. Now for one of the most practical features in the whole house, the laundry room is upstairs, right next to the bedrooms, no hauling baskets up and downstairs. Speaking of downstairs, the partially finished basement gives you even more usable space. This finished rec room is perfect for a second living room, game area, home gym, or movie nights. It's a great way to spread out when you need more room without taking away from the main level. You also get additional unfinished space for storage and a dedicated utility area tucked away. Heading back outside, the backyard access is easy and right off the main level. The deck is a strong lifestyle feature, grilling, relaxing, and hosting outside when the weather is right. And the yard gives you outdoor space without feeling like a full-time landscaping job. Here's a full look at the rear of the home, and that wraps the tour of 63 Waterford Boulevard in Fairborn. If you want more home tours like this, subscribe, and if you're interested in this property, reach out to me for the full details. Thanks for watching.